question on one of the 8 poets A, B, C, D, E, F, G or H. The first 4 belong to the medieval period, while the rest are considered modern poets. Generally, modern poets figure in the question paper in alternate years. Generally, those who like H like G also, and those who like F like E also. The paper setter does not like to ask about F as he has written a book on F, but he likes F. Last year the paper contained a question on A on the basis of the information. This year's paper is most likely to contain a question on first 4 belong to medieval period. So A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D. These are, and then we have modern, rest for E, F, G, H. Now paper setter who likes H like G, and those who like F like E, and they come modern, they come in alternate years. And paper setter does not like to ask about F. So last year it was on A. So paper setter will give the question and he likes E and F, and he won't ask about F, so he will ask about E because he likes E. So answer is B. In a group of 6 women, there are 4 dancers, 4 vocal musicians, 1 actress and 3 violinists. Girija and, so we write right now 4 persons, Alok, Bhupesh, Chandar and Dinesh have a total of rupees 100 among themselves. Alok and Bhupesh between them have as much money as Chandar and Dinesh, so it means they have 50-50 rupees. But Alok has more money than Bhupesh. Alok is having more money than Bhupesh, and Chandar has only half the money that Dinesh has. So Dinesh is having 2 parts and Chandar is having 1 part, means around 33 to 34 rupees and 16 to 7. We need not to do this calculation because in the answer we are seeing names. So, and it is asked that who has the maximum amount of money. So here next is Alok has in fact rupees 5 more than Dinesh. So Alok is having more than Dinesh also, and he is having more than. So Alok is having maximum, so he is the answer. Examine the following statements. George attends music classes on Monday. He attends Monday is music classes. He attends mathematics classes on Wednesday. Maths on Wednesday. Literature are not on Friday. So one literature is there. He attends history classes on the day following the day of his mathematics classes. So mathematics are on Wednesday, so this history are on Thursday. On Tuesday he attends his sports classes. So on Tuesday sports. If he attends just one subject in a day and his Sunday is free, then he is also free on. So he is free here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Friday is, and we don't know about Saturday. He is not attending on Friday. It means he is free on Friday. So he is attending literature on Saturday. So D is the answer. Examine the following statements. George attends Music classes on Monday. So Monday is music classes. He attends mathematics classes on Wednesday. Maths on Wednesday. Literature classes are not on Friday. So we write literature. Attends history classes on the day after following the day of mathematics. So maths on Wednesday, so history on Thursday. On Tuesday, he attends sports. Tuesday sports. If he attends just one subject in a day and his Sunday is free, then he is also free on. So if we see here, Monday is there, and Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, and he is not attending here on Friday. He is attending therefore on Saturday. So Friday is free. So answer is D, already marked. In a row, A is in the 11th position from left and B is in the 10th position. So we write A is here, which is 11th from here, and left side say B is in 10th position from right. So this is B, this is right, and B is here and 10th position. This is left. If A and B interchange, then A becomes 18th from the left. So if A comes here, so ये 18th हो जाता है. How many persons are there in the row other than A and B? तो अगर आप यहाँ देखिए ये 11वां था, इसका मतलब इससे पहले 10 और हो गए. अब ये 18th हो गया, तो इसका मतलब इससे पहले 17th और हो गए, 17 और हो गए. और ये जो 17 और ये 10th था, तो यहाँ 9 है, तो 17 प्लस 9. तो हमने इसमें ये वाला नहीं काउंट किया क्योंकि हमने ये 17 की और इधर 9, तो ये अभी हमने जो 18th था जो A था उसे काउंट नहीं किया. सो दिस बिकम्स 26 एंड 1 इज B. सो B को भी घटाएंगे, सो 25 मीन्स C इज द आंसर. Here we have 3 questions. Read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. A, B, C, D, E and F are members of a family. They are engineer, stenographer, doctor, draughtsman, lawyer and judge, not in order. The engineer is married to the lady stenographer. The judge is married to the lawyer. F is draughtsman is the son of B. And brother of E. C the lawyer is the daughter-in-law of D. C is lawyer, daughter-in-law of D. C and D. E is the unmarried doctor. D is the grandmother of F. So D is a lady, grandmother of F. It means wife of B. And B is, it means judge. What is the profession of B? B is a judge, so answer is A. Which of the following is our couples? So it means D is a lady and D is grandmother of F. It means A and D are married and B and C. B is judge, C is lawyer, A is engineer, D is stenographer. So C is the answer. What is the profession of D? D is stenographer. B is the answer. Read the following passage and answer the 3 questions that follow. A tennis coach is trying to put together a team of 4 players for the forthcoming tournament. For this, 7 players are available: males A, B, and C, and females W, X, Y, and Z. All players have equal capability, and at least 2 males will be there in the team. For a team of 4, all players must be able to play with each other, but B cannot play with W, C cannot play with Z, and W cannot play with Y. So first we have to write the data and then we will see the question. 7 players are available and A, B, C are male and W, X, Y, and Z are females, and at least 2 males will be there. For a team of 4, all players must be able to play with each other, but B cannot play with W, and C cannot play with Z, and W cannot play with Y. If Y is selected and B is rejected, Y is selected and B is rejected, consist of which one of the following groups? A, C, W, and Y. A, C, W, and Y, but W and Y cannot play, and Y has been selected. A, C, X, and Y. A, C, X, and Y. This can work. A, C, Y, and Z. A, C, Y, and Z. No, because C cannot play with Z. A, W, Y, Z. A, W, Y, Z means 2 males are must, but here only one A is there. So the answer is B. If B is selected and Y is rejected, so now this is rejected and this B is selected, the team will consist of which of the following groups? A, B, C, W. A, B, C, W no, because B and W cannot play. A, B, C, Z. A, B, C, Z no, C cannot play with Z. A, B, C, and X. A, B, C, and X. This may work. A, W, Y, Z. A, W, Y, Z, then one male is there, it means C is the answer. If all the 3 males are selected, then how many combinations of 4-member teams are possible? Now if all the three males have been selected means A, B, C, all three are selected means we have to select one female, and out of one female we can not select W and Z because W cannot play with B and Z cannot play with C. Therefore we have to take X and Y. So once we will take X with it, another time we will take Y with ABC. So two ways are there. So answer is B. The music director of a film wants to select four persons to work on different aspects of the composition of a piece of music. Seven persons are available for this work. They are Rohit, Tanya, Shobha, Kaushal, Kunal, Mukesh, and Jaswant. Rohit and Tanya will not work together. So we write first names and then see what combinations have been given. Rohit, Tanya, Shobha, Kaushal, Kunal, Mukesh, and Jaswant. Rohit and Tanya will not work together. Kunal and Shobha will not work together. Kunal and Shobha. This Kunal, Kaushal nahi. Kunal and Shobha will not work together, these two. Mukesh and Kunal want to work together. Mukesh and Kunal together. Which of the following is the most acceptable group of people that can be selected by the music director? Four persons are required. So Rohit, Shobha, Kunal and Kaushal. No, but Shobha and Kunal cannot work. Tanya, Kaushal, Shobha and Rohit. So this is also not, because Tanya and Rohit they don't want to work. Then Tanya, Mukesh, Kunal and Jaswant. Tanya, Mukesh, Kunal and Jaswant. This may work out. Then Shobha, Tanya, Rohit. Then Rohit and Tanya won't. So C is the answer.